Okay, hey everybody. Today is the first day, the end of the first day that our phase two landscaping work started. So I'm just standing in the front of the house, and you see there's some supplies over there. Let's see, what did they accomplish today? So they're creating two raised beds in the front here. This is going to be the first one. Super excited about that. I don't know what we're going to be putting in there yet, but it's one of those things that I kind of have to see what it looks like before. Second one is going to be here, kind of in a triangular shape. This is all going to be removed, obviously. So that's that. This whole section is going to be clover and probably some grass seed as well, just to have a mix there. All right, let's move down towards the back. They did a lot of prep work and cleaning up today. Took away a lot of, like, this little strip here. This is the septic. That whole section there where the green is, that's the septic field. This whole section is going to be grass and clover. There was a little strip of gravel here, but we're going to be covering it up with soil, with the sod clover mix. Let's keep going. And then one of the major things is to sort out drainage, and one of them is this side. It's going to be like a dry riverbed, really, with rocks and things like that. So they did a lot of just prep work and cleanup in terms of cutting trees down, getting trees out of the way. You know what? Let me come around this way, or I'll show you the other side on the way back. There was a lot of deadfall, just branches that were still there. Don't mind the bugs. The bugs have the bugs are out. It's like they know when it's good weather. So there was a lot of just fallen branches and trees left over from when they cleared the area to build the house. So they took care of that. This whole section, this whole little dry riverbed is going to be functional to move the water out, but still look nice. I'm planning on planting some stuff over there, and then all along that riverbed, dry riverbed. It's going to be rocks mostly, but just to move the water out. Look how cool all that moss is down there. Look at that, isn't that cool? Love it. All right. They also, let me get a better view of this. They cleaned out under the deck and put gravel. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of shaded. Let me go underneath. Yeah, so all of that, they did all of that today, which is awesome. Let me go around the other side. Actually, I'll show you this side. So this whole section here, all along, like from the base, from the deck here, from the stairwell, this is the stairs to go up to the deck. All of this is going to be another flower bed. So they did some cleanup here too. And that's that, it's like 4 feet up at the top there and about 7 down here. And I have planned this out in terms of what I want to plant here, but baby steps. We'll figure that out later. All right, we haven't done anything up there. The only thing we have left to do, Chris and I, is to fill those 2 beds with soil, the 2 that we filled on the weekend with branches and whatnot. But other than that, they're ready to go. All of this is going to be sod. This whole section back here, going all the way up to the fence line. And then they did more clearing on the other side of the house. So I'm not going to go down where it's a little bit moist still, but I'll come up here. They cleaned up some of the wood. This maple is going to come down because clearly it's already been uprooted, probably from when they cleared the area to build the house. And for whatever reason, they left it there. But it's a bit of a hazard because it's got like a super, it's leaning bad and it's already uprooted. So we're going to get that down. And then this side looks like a bit of a a mess right now, but it won't be. There's drainage also on this side that has to be addressed. And look, I didn't see that they dug that much. Let's go take a look. Ooh. Let's go see. Because we need to sort out, because we've got some pooling in this area when it rains a lot. So we just need to figure out how to get the water flowing to the front of the house. And I see, they've been digging. That's exciting. That's pretty cool. So all of that whole trench, we don't know if it's going to go straight to the ditch. There's like a ditch that follows the road there, and then eventually just goes down the hill. We'll have to see. We'll have to see what's happening there. Cool. Now you could probably see in the camera all the bugs that have been. It's like they woke up. Oh, it's springtime, warm temps, time for us to party. Oh, here you can probably see under the deck a little bit better from this side. Yeah, so and it's really just to keep it clean, reduce the weeds, and for storage. We might put a deck box down there to store the, patio cushions, things like that. Eventually, this area, once it's all sodded, we're gonna have like a fire pit area with chairs down here. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Now it's all cleaning things up. Day 1 of phase 2. Super excited. And then really the first thing that we're going to be planting up is this strip right here. And then the 2 flower beds in the front of the house, which I'm really excited. We did a walk through this morning just to see how big we wanted them to be. And I kind of like it. I think it's going to be really good. I can do some damage with that space. It looks really good. I don't know what I'm going to put there yet. There's going to be some stuff that's going to be for winter interest for sure, so that it's not all, so that there's something green over the winter, but we'll have to see. And then this area, you can see where he made a line this morning, but it looks like it's like it's starting there, but it's just this whole little corner area. This whole section here is going to be one big flower bed, and the rest will be sod. I'm not sure what that X is. that orange X right there. No matter, it's all good. All right, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'll try to take you along as things progress over the next days. I don't know how long it's going to take to do everything. Probably at least a week, depending on weather too. All right, guys. Phase 2 has started.